The CF story is amazing. Starting from cloning the gene, many important developments occurred.
These efforts have been very successful modulators, but 10% of CF patients don't benefit from those modulators.
For the people who are not even eligible for the treatments, this is a race against time.
We're attempting to do this with 15 different approaches. I have no doubt we are going to get treatments for all patients, and I really believe we will have a cure.
There's gene therapy, gene editing, messenger RNA therapy, the antisense oligonucleotide that we are doing.
The editing technologies, the delivery technologies, the regulatory mechanisms for trialing. We're starting to put together all of the different pieces of the puzzle to make these medicines therapeutically viable. And emilys-entourage has played a huge role in kind of bringing that community together of scientists, of people with CF, of clinicians who take care of people with CF.
Because of emilys-entourage, I think we're much further ahead in solving what the field of medical genetics has been working on for many years.
Because of emilys-entourage, there has been a big focus on studying and progressing into therapeutic strategies which to some point have not been addressed.
Because of emilys-entourage, we've been able to think really broadly about how we can develop genetic medicines for 100 different cystic fibrosis causing alleles that don't respond to modulators.
Because of emilys-entourage, substantial additional resources are available to move forward faster with developing the therapeutics against cystic fibrosis. And what we find through our effort focusing on these mutations will be applied to other diseases as well, because on the molecular level, a lot of these mechanisms are similar.
The impact that emilys-entourage has had on the CF research landscape is huge. It's almost immeasurable, whether it's through funding basic science research, whether it's connecting companies to patients all over the world, and whether it's even talking to regulatory agencies. So we touch pretty much all aspects of drug development, and the aim is to cross out CF once and for all.
To me, crossing out CF means that we're going to make sure with organizations like this that everyone with CF gets treated.
Crossing out CF means that we will have good therapeutic approaches for those patients that are still without targeted drugs.
Crossing out CF means developing durable, efficacious, and accessible medicines for all people with cystic fibrosis.
Crossing out CF means that every person with a mutation can grow up, have kids, and have grandkids the way I have grandkids.
When we are crossing out CF, we want 100% of people with CF not to live with this disease. And the one thing I would tell people with CF, their family members, their caregivers, is hang on to that hope. We are almost there. We will cross out CF.